Android Debug Bridge. Next up, we have Android Debug Bridge. In this topic, you will learn how it plays an important role in debugging Android applications and its various commands that can help during penetration testing. So, Android Debug Bridge, command line tool that lets you communicate with an Android device. ADB is an innovative command line tool that simplifies Android development, including installing and debugging applications. ADB grants access to a Unix shell on which various commands can be executed on the device. ADB is composed of three main components, making it a client-server program. The client is the primary component responsible for sending commands to the ADB server. The client runs on the development machine and can be invoked via the command line terminal using ADB commands. Two other key components are also involved in running commands on an Android device. A daemon or ADB and a server ADB allow features a daemon component which runs silently in the background of Android devices and executes any commands that are sent from the clients. Conversely, the server runs as a background process on our development machine and manages communication between the client, that is user issuing commands, and daemon. Now let's look at some basic commands used in ADB. ADB devices, list connected devices. ADB root, restarts ADB with root permissions. ADB start server, starts the ADB server. ADB kill server, kills the ADB server. ADB reboot, reboots the device. ADB devices, list of devices by product under model.
ADB shell. Open the Android terminal, ADB shell install space APK file name, this installs the app. ADB shell uninstall space APK file name, removes the app.
ADB push, source destination, copies files from the computer to the phone. ADB pull, source destination, copies the files from the phone to the computer.